funny about this? Well, it's not funny. You know what's strange about this? Is that the way the state tried their case was all on emotion. They're heavy on emotion and low on evidence. That's why the very beginning of this case was showing you gory pictures of the crime scene to get you riled up. And then in the middle of the case, you remember they paraded these shirts filled with blood to remind you and to get you riled up again. To play on your emotions when the judge specifically will tell you you are to be dispassionate. You're not to base your decision on emotion. You're to base it on the facts, on the evidence. But that's not the game they're playing. No. That's not the case they're trying. Beginning, middle, end. That's the strategy. Let's get them riled up. Let's tell them a story. And let's let them buy into it. We don't need evidence. You recall, we sat through 2 weeks of witness after witness saying there's no direct link, there's no fingerprints on this gun to Aaron Hernandez. There's no DNA. There's no DNA to Aaron Hernandez. I can't tie this gun to Aaron Hernandez. None of the print that I got off the SUV was not Aaron Hernandez. I couldn't match it to Aaron Hernandez. There's no GSR that we can link back to Aaron Hernandez. There's no trace evidence or CSI evidence that goes back to Aaron Hernandez. All digital forensics, nothing tying to it. Fingerprints, the state fingerprint expert, nothing, no fingerprints on the gun. More computer experts, nothing. Crime scene supervisors, nothing linking at the scene Aaron Hernandez. All of these. Ballistics. More CSI. Test fire to the gun that doesn't link back to Aaron Hernandez. On and on and on. And when he signed that waiver to get that deal of a lifetime, he thought he deleted this message. He thought it would never come up. He thought this message would never see the light of day. He is a perjurer. And you need not any more information than that alone. That is your reasonable doubt for the entire case. He swore, even if you want to even stretch your imagination and believe he's talking about the civil suit. No, he's talking about telling the court the truth about not recalling anything about who shot him. He's telling his lawyer it's the truth. He's not lying about something in the 3rd grade. He's not lying about something that happened with Johnny at the bowling alley. He's lying about this case, this shooting. And he's telling his lawyer what the truth is. How can you accept that? How can this ever see the light of day in a courtroom? How can this man ever take the stand in a courtroom when another person's life hangs in the balance? That's outrageous. It's unconscionable, and it's something you should never accept. I tell you, this case is riddled with reasonable doubt all over the place. But this stands on top as the cherry on the cake. This stands atop and stands alone. There's not much for you to deliberate about.